we just have to learn to be, you know, more mindful of, again, you know, what we put out there and what we say.
And so today we had all the 15 students from the St. Elizabeth Technical School in St. Elizabeth travel all the way to come and learn all things about the good, the bad, and the ugly of social media. Now, it was important for us to jump on board with this. We're in the age now where social media impacts and influences our little ones so much.
So social media help you to publicize your products and to get a market that you wouldn't get on a normal scale, so you can foster more purchases, and that's what will help you to make that money.
You know, there are lots of opportunities that you can get. While it can be a fun space and a space with a lot of opportunities, there are also some negatives, some bad, for instance, cyberbullying and stuff like that.
We are here with our students from the Social Media Club participating in this workshop. We have exposed our students to some influencers who have shared their experience with interfacing on the different platforms and how they have been able to bring positivity to the platform. We're living in a time now where there's a lot of violence on the different campuses, and this group of students, they're actually using their influence as role models and to basically push positivity at our school.
Mostly, I enjoyed myself. I expressed how I felt about certain things, and the internet can be good and it can be bad at times, but just stay safe out there, okay?
What I've learned today is how you can get a good use and a bad use from social media and how you can interact with it, and I have learned so much and I enjoyed today.